Morning students, welcome you all. Best of luck for your annual examination. Today we will start the revision of English grammar. Chapter name is active and passive voice. In active voice, you know that dear student, you know that in active voice the subject does the action, while in the passive voice the action is done to the subject. It means that the subject will be object in passive voice and object will be subject in passive voice. Object of active voice will be subject in passive voice. Let's see here how to change simple present. Here the verbs are given, write or writes. We will change how to is, am, are written. Remember third form will be used. Present perfect, has, have written. Here you are getting third form. So in passive voice also it will be has, have, and we will include been written. Present continuous is, am, are plus ing form. So is, am, are being plus written. Remember third form. Simple past second form we are using here. So here you will use was and were. Was, were, remember third form. Past continuous tense was, were plus ing form of the verb. So it will be here was, were, being or written. We will use being. Next one is past perfect. In past perfect we will use had plus member third form written. So had written, had been. We will include here been. Understand? With modal verbs will, can, may, must, could, would, might, should, etc. plus base form. So we will use in passive voice modal verb plus be, then afterward plus main verb third form. We will see the example here. He likes you. Dear student, if you want to make passive voice of active sentence, active voice, so you will get an object. Without object we can't make passive voice. Understand? So here you are getting you. He likes what? He likes whom? You. Object is you. So first we will put here you as a subject. Then with you we will use are. So you are third form. According to it here, according to rule, third form you are liked, and we will include by plus subject will be object him. Understand? Second sentence is someone has stolen my pen. Stolen what? My pen. My pen is object, so it will be subject in passive voice. My pen. My pen is singular, so we will use has. Been. In present perfect we will use been. So has been stolen, and we will omit someone. If we are getting such type of words, vague noun, unclear noun, unclear words, so we will omit the unclear words, vague noun, vague words. Understand? The word which is vague, unclear. So someone, anyone, no one, everyone, we will omit such type of words. People. So my pen has been stolen. I can play football. You are getting the object football. Play what? Football. So football can be played. We will use be with modal verbs. Be played by me. Subject is I, so it will be changed into me. Dear students, now we will start the revision of the chapter. Direct and reported speech. Part 1 statements. So see the examples. He says to me, I am hungry. Dear student, you know that this part is known as reporting part. Understand? Reporting speech, and this part is known as reported speech. In reporting speech you are getting the verb. Says in which form you are getting the verb in present. If the verb will be in present or future form, the tense of reported speech will be unchanged. Understand? So you are getting says to you have studied earlier. Says to will be converted into, will be changed into tells. To will be omitted in indirect speech, me, and in statement we use that. He tells me that. First person change. Yes, O, N, 1, 2, 3. First person change according to the subject of reporting speech. What is the subject is here? He. So it will be he. That, and with he we will use is hungry. He is hungry. Understand? So the tense is not changed, only pronoun he is changed according to subject. I changed according to subject, so it will convert, it will be here he. The next sentence is you said to him, I have completed the task. Said to will be changed into told. If reporting speech, the verb of reporting speech will be in past tense, so the tense of reported speech will be changed. So here you said to, so said to will be changed into told him. To will be omitted. Afterward first person change according to subject. Subject is you, so it will be here you, that you. Have will be changed into had. Understand? Had completed the task. Third one, she said, I can't stay here. So said, if you are not getting object after said, so said will be same, said. She said that. Understand? First person change according to subject, so it will be here she. Can't will be converted into could not. Stay here will be changed into there. Understand? Dear student, now here we will see imperative sentence, commands and request. How to change the sentences of commands and request we will see here. First sentence is he said don't go there. So here we are getting order. Understand? So we will use he ordered me. But in sentence we are not getting, in direct speech we are not getting object, but we will include object in indirect speech. Indirect speech, especially in imperative sentence. Afterward negative sentence, so don't is here, so we will use not to go there, same way. Afterward we are getting another way, he forbade me to go there. We are using the word forbade bereft of not, without not. Next sentence is he said please give me a pen. If we will get the word please, kindly, we will omit these words in indirect speech. Understand? So see here, he said, so please you are getting, so it means requested. He requested, we are putting here object, we put here object. Me, he requested me to give. We will include two words every time, you have to know that we will include the word to in indirect speech. From direct to indirect, when we will convert we will use to. Give, first form of the verb give, and first person change according to subject, according to rule. So here subject is he, so it will be here him, because me is object. So what is the object of he? Him, a pen. Understand? So you have to understood, you have understood this, I hope that. Now dear student, we will see the chapter adverbs. So here the sentences, such type of sentences will be framed, such type of we can say that framing will come of sentence framing. Rewrite these sentences to include the words in brackets. Suppose that here we are getting we walked to school, always is given in bracket, he played in bracket there, and well you are getting. So how to make it? We will use here always, we always walk to school. In the second sentence you are getting he played there, and So the proper order to put sentence, if many adverbs will be there, first we will put adverb of manner, afterward place, then time. So he played. Adverb of manner is well, then place. If afterward we will get time, then we will include time. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.